Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And if you have a sprinkler head from Hunter, which is the rotary style, which includes the PGP Ultra, and the I20, and it is leaking from the bottom like this on your screen right now, we are going to show you how to fix that in this video and go from this to this in a matter of minutes. Now, before we get down to the actual video, an understanding of what is broken over here is going to help. So what is broken over here is what is known as the riser seal, which is two parts above your spring. So you have a plastic part which you do not need to replace, and on top of that you have the riser seal, which is rubber, which over time wears out, hardens up, and causes water to leak from the bottom of your Hunter rotary sprinkler. So what you need to order is the riser seal. I have them linked in the description of this video. Again, you do not have to order the plastic part. And how it is placed on your rotor is that after the spring you have the plastic part, and after that you have the rubber seal, both of them sitting together on top of each other, as you can see on your screen right now. So the first thing you need to do is take out your rotary sprinkler by digging it out from the ground, and then you have to unscrew the body cap. Now there might be some dirt, you might have to put down some water under there, but the first step is to remove the body cap. Now once that is done and you have removed the spring and the actual pop-up part from the rotor, what I like to do is pull the body cap down and then hold on to the spring. Once you do that, then you move the body cap up, and you should see that your seal, your riser seal, is right there. As you can see in the video right now, that there is the plastic part at the bottom and the rubber riser seal on top. Now the next thing we need to do is remove the body cap from the sprinkler head. So all you have to do is with your palm hold down on the actual sprinkler head, and then use your fingers to pop the body cap off. It might be a bit hard, but you will be able to do it eventually. The next thing I like to do is separate the riser seal and the plastic part from the spring while keeping the spring in position, and then I use a clamp from Harbor Freight to hold the spring in its place so that it is not bothering me anymore. And of course you can do this part even before you remove the body cap to make your life easier. Next up, it is as easy as just removing the riser seal. So just remove the riser seal, which is the rubber part, and then replace it with a new one. Make sure that the cutout or the groovy part is pointing towards the bottom of your Hunter rotary sprinkler when you are putting in the new riser seal. And then the next part is to put back the body cap. Again, it might be a bit hard, but once you get it in place, it's going to work fine. And then the next thing I like to do is push the body cap down 5 or 6 times so that the plastic part and the riser seal are locked into position, and then screw the body cap back on and you are good to go. Go ahead, put this sprinkler back where it was, and that should have fixed the Hunter rotary sprinkler, which includes the PGP Ultra, and the I20 leaking from the bottom.